The Spring-Summer Starter Kit from Couture is here and full of everything you could ever want and need as a designer. Check out the super cute box we've designed for you to unpack and keep forever. But wait, because you don't want to miss what's inside. First, let's check out this folder of goodies. Here's our beautiful Spring-Summer Collection catalog, bursting at the seams with amazing artwork. You'll also receive our Designer Startup Guide with great tips to help you through your first couple of months as a new designer. Now here's the fun part, transfers. You'll get 4 awesome chalk transfer designs. And as you can see here, they've been updated for the spring-summer season. You'll also get 2 additional transfers to help you build your business. Our darling thank you cards will keep you on top of your customer appreciation game, while our most popular surface, the Boutique Board and Base, is here to make all of your chalking dreams come true. The Couture apron will keep you clean throughout all of your designing and creating, and these chalkable chips are everything when it comes to small projects or demos. Now don't forget about the squeegee. It's soon to become your best friend. Now let's check out these cool Chalkology colors. You get 5 pastes in your starter kit, and they've all been hand-picked to be right on trend for all your seasonal projects. So what's under the tray? Well, it's a surprise and it changes monthly, but your 8.5 by 11 B-sized Club Couture transfer is hiding right here waiting for you. And finally, voila! Our signature Couture gallery board featuring our white 8-in frame and 9 by 12. These exclusive boards are crafted with porcelain-coated steel, are magnetic, and will be a statement piece for your home. This is everything you need to start your own high-end DIY home decor journey, and you can do it with the Couture Starter Kit.